This is the craziest thing I've ever done as a writer. 55,000 words in 8 hours. That is 115 words a minute, 6,875 words per hour. I was moving, man. Let me tell you how I did it. Real talk. I have a lot of children, and that particular day, I didn't have any kids, and I just had this story in my head. I had just finished the first book in the Amish Apocalypse series about a bunch of AI stuff that's going on, different tech, and I had this crazy idea of where everything's going to go, how it could play out, what's coming, and I just wrote a fantasy about it. Set in Arkansas, of all places. It was only the second novel I'd ever written, and I was new. We'll go with that. I was very new. I had no plan. I had no procedure or systems in place, none of that stuff, so I just wrote. Revising was something new to me, and finally, when I was done, I realized I'm really tired now, so I went to sleep. And I woke up in the morning, and another realization hit me. I have to revise that turd, and it was a turd. It was really bad. But it really is a good book now, but it was just bad at the time because it was the first time I wrote it. And every first draft is terrible, right? So it was kind of okay. So writing a book in one day as a pantser is a lot. It's kind of what we do, which is why I have this whole channel. Anyway, that means the revision took a while, like 2 months of just cranking it out. It was a lot. So recap, I type really fast anyway, about 90 words a minute, and when I'm not distracted, it's pretty fast. Like, I don't have to stop. The 90 words a minute thing is correct typing. So that's a fun little insight to the revision. It wasn't just content, it was also a lot of line editing. No distractions means no interruptions. I just slogged away. I forgot to eat that day. I had poured my water and had it next to me, and I don't know that I ever took a drink. I just cranked out. I was in the zone, hyper-focused. The flow state, you could call it. Pretty cool place to be. I still get in there sometimes. I write about 5,500 words a weekend on average, but I have a lot of distractions, so that doesn't happen anymore with the 55,000 words. However, it might happen again if I ever have a weekend without distractions. You put those two things together, fast typing and get rid of the distractions, profit. For more pantser writing stuff, click the link thingy, and there's a whole video series on it, and I'll see you later.